Hello Techies, a warm welcome to the RPA Solution Architect course. We are delighted to have you join us as an RPA Solution Architect. You are joining a passionate course dedicated to building intelligent and efficient automation solutions. This course is designed to transform you from an automation practitioner into a strategic leader. You will move beyond board building and learn to design, plan, and govern an entire automation ecosystem. Alright, what is an RPA solution architect? An RPA solution architect is a senior level role that bridges the gap between business needs and technical implementation. You are the master planner responsible for creating the blueprint for an entire automation project. This involves 1. Translating business requirements into a feasible and scalable technical design, selecting the right tool and technologies for the job, weighing factors like cost, security, and integration, creating governance framework to ensure automations are built consistently, securely, and in line with the enterprise standards, mentoring and leading development teams, providing guidance on best practices and solution design. Alright, now we will understand what we learn from this course. This course is structured to give you a holistic understanding of the RPA solution architect's role. First one, RPA fundamentals, a deep dive into a RPA lifecycle from process discovery to deployment and monitoring. Process assessment and design, we will learn to identify ideal processes for automation, calculate ROI, and create comprehensive documents like process design document PDD and solution design documents SDD. Next one, technical architecture. As part of this course, we will explore the components of a robust RPA solution, including infrastructure, security, and scalability. We'll also learn how to design for both attended and unattended automations. Next one, tooling and integration. We'll get hands-on experience evaluating major RPA platforms like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and Microsoft Power Automate, and also we will learn how to integrate them with other enterprise systems. Next one, governance and best practices. As part of this course, we will establish a Center of Excellence COE framework, define coding standards, and ensure our automation pipeline is efficient and secure. The demand for skilled RPA solution architects is growing rapidly. This course provides you with the skills to transition into a high impact, high paying role. You will not only gain a deep technical understanding, but also develop the strategic and communication skills needed to lead successful automation initiatives and drive significant business values. An RPA solution architect needs to be proficient with a range of tools to design, develop, and oversee automation projects. These tools are often categorized into few key areas, that is, the core RPA platforms and supplementary tools for analysis, management, and integration. I am very excited for you to begin this journey and unlock your potential as a top tier RPA solution architect. Let's get started.